Hello there, gentle people. I am taking you on a little unboxing journey with me today. I literally just got this package from the Oxford company, and the lady's name is Amy Oxford. And I know you don't know what's inside, but I'm gonna open it up and show you. And you know me, right? So you know it has something to do with art and craft. Every time I've ever done an unboxing, I always end up going in the box before I share it with you guys, but this is my first time like officially taking it out. We're seeing it together for the first time, and here we go. This is the Oxford Punch Needle by Amy Oxford, and it's a rug hooking tool, but you might have seen some punch needle embroidery stuff happening here and there. And this is the kind of punch needle that I have. It's used for embroidery, and it's not a very traditional method. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's not like traditional embroidery where you're going up and down through the fabric. You're literally just going punch, 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 punch. And I don't know, this one has not been too nice to me. And I wanted to be able to use yarn to have something a little bit cooler. So I got this number 10. It's the number 10 1/4" Oxford punch needle. And if you notice, it says a rug hooking tool. So if you're interested in making rugs, then this will work for that as well. So it is made in the United States. It's ergonomically designed. Look, and I love wood, so it has a nice wooden handle. And this is a stainless steel needle right here, and you can actually use it with yarn, you can use it with wool, and even, you know, small strips of fabric to do some rug hooking or needle punching. And it also comes with a little punch needle handbook with helpful hints. And there are tons of videos on YouTube and on one of my favorite websites as well, Creative Bug. There's actually a class right now on punch needle, and in this one I think the teacher actually uses the Amy Oxford punch needle. So that is my little punch needle. I can't wait to use it, and of course I'm going to show you guys how that turns out. So that's my Amy Oxford punch needle. All right, see you soon. Peace.